You also mentioned in the book, I think it's in the first chapter, three principles that explain the connection between the spiritual self and the physical self, right? And so I would like you to explain these three principles.
Well, that idea, that concept has been around for a long time, but the way that it was articulated in that particular way was by Sydney Banks. He was a Scottish born, but lived in Vancouver in Canada. And he just describes a way that we operate from the inside out using mind, consciousness, and thought. So the mind, the universal mind, is intelligence. The divine wisdom of the universe, or whatever words we want to use. Consciousness is just our awareness that there is something bigger than ourselves. And thought really is our way of interpreting what our world is like. And the problem with that, it can be good and bad, is because our body physiologically will respond with feelings to what our thoughts are.
Yeah.
And so that can be great, and that can be a really big problem. And so trying to maneuver through life with just thought, we'll really get in trouble. But if we take those thoughts and the feelings that they produce, and sometimes we're not aware of the thoughts, but we can feel the feeling, which leads us back to the thought. Then we can kind of make sense of that and try to get back into, tap into the wisdom of the universal mind. Or sometimes it's in other disciplines besides Sydney Banks, it's called consciousness. So it's talking about the same thing, which is universal wisdom that we all, any living thing possesses. That's what gives us life. When that's gone, we're just matter. We start to decay. But that which makes us who we are is this inner wisdom, divine consciousness that is a part of every living thing. And we all have access to that.